Now for this item, we are asked to express 1 over 1 plus tan squared x in terms of sine only. Now again, if you are seeing squared, tan squared, cos squared, sine squared, think of the Pythagorean identities. So again, using the Pythagorean identities, I know that this guy is just equal to secant squared theta. Alright? That is just secant squared theta. So meaning to say, the entire thing is just equal to 1 over secant squared theta. And using my reciprocal identity, this is actually equal to cos squared theta. Alright? But then again, we are asked to simplify or express everything in terms of sine only. So no other trig ratio except sine. And then again, this is a squared. Using our Pythagorean identities again, we know that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. So meaning to say, our cos squared theta is just equal to 1 over 1 minus sine squared theta. So again, our answer here will be 1 minus sine squared theta, and this will be my answer. By the way, I forgot that is x, so let me just rewrite that. 1 minus sine squared of x